Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. So can we start now? This is the yesterday's class. Yesterday's class we stopped here. Yesterday's class we stopped here. Let me know if everything is okay. If all people came, we can start. If all people came, we can start. Yeah. Let's start then. Let's start. I think all people came. Let's start. All the people came. Yeah. Today pointers. I think today is pointers. Shikhar inform to everyone. If anyone is not done pointers, they can come. Shikhar, you can post in the group. If anyone having doubts in the pointers, they can join. If anyone having doubts in the pointer, they can join. Yeah, post in the group. If anyone having doubts in the pointers, they can join. Sir, can I follow this course in EPT after free classes over? Yes. Yes. Most probably tomorrow is the last class. Most probably tomorrow is the last class. You can follow in the EPT. Right. Now let me start now. Pointers. Careful. This is the very important topic. This is very important topic. Pointers. This is a very important topic. Right? Pointers is the very important topic. So be careful. Be careful. Most of the questions in the examination will come from this topic. From the pointers topic, most of the questions will come in the examination. Right? So I think we can start. We can start now. So I'm starting. I'm starting now. I'm starting now. Right? Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. I think in today's class we are going to do approximately. I can say maximum 5 problems we may do about pointers. Right? Regarding pointers, small basic problem. 5 problems we are going to do. Overall, we will do 50 problems. Overall, we will do 50 problems. About pointers, overall, we will do 50 problems. Overall, we will do 50 problems. Right? In today's class, we are going to finish about pointer approximately 5 problems. So I'm starting. Everything is ready. I'm starting now. Everything is ready. I'm starting now. So everyone can listen. I'm starting. Let me make it bigger. Yeah. Pointers. See the first problem. Yeah. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Let me write the time also. Let me write the date also. I think 25 today. 25/6/25. 25/6/25. I think so. 25/6/25. Yeah. So today's class is just started now. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today's class is just started now. 25/6/25. Topic is pointers. It's a very important one. So I'm writing also pointers. Very important. All questions will come from this only. All questions will come from this topic only. Major story of C programming is starting now. Major part of the C programming is starting now. I kept many star operator because definitely most of the questions will come from this place only. Now see the first problem. First problem. main, take the first problem, main int x or int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Afterwards, if I say printf %d a comma b, printf, remember addresses. If you want to print %u, printf %u ampersand a ampersand b. It is the first problem of pointers. Main int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Printf %d a comma b. Printf %u ampersand a ampersand b. It is a given problem. It is the first problem. Everyone try to listen. What is the meaning of this problem? You will get to know. So see the first one. Compile this program. There is no global variable. There is no static variable. No problem. Compile the program. There is no problem. Now run the program. When you run, for the variable a, memory will allocated. 10 will be stored inside a. So some memory location is allocated. 1000 onwards 2 bytes. Remember, integer take. To store integer, remember 2 bytes. To store character, 1 byte. To store float, remember this. To store float, 4 bytes. Assume. To store integer, 2 bytes. To store character, 1 byte. To store float, 4 bytes. In examination, if any problem is given, where size is required, you will mention in the problem. I am clarifying very clearly. In examination, any question is given. In that question, right, type of, right, size of every type, if really needed, you will give in the problem itself. Sizes of every type really needed, they will mention in the problem. Suppose really not needed, you can take whatever way you want. So I given. Assume that whenever they didn't mention anything, assume integer 2 bytes, char 1 byte, float 4 bytes. Assume this, because whenever is not given, you can assume whatever way you like. Not given means you can assume whatever way you like, right? So I am repeating again and again. Really required in the problem. Sizes, right? Sizes of a particular data type really required in the exam. They will mention in the problem. If they don't mention, means they really not required. So you can take whatever you want. So suppose they didn't mention anything, just follow whatever I written on the board. Assume that integer will take 2 bytes, character will take 1 byte, float will take 4 bytes. Assume. You can assume whatever way you want also. But when they don't mention, just assume like this. Right, now start now. Int a is equal to 10. So for the variable a, 2 bytes of memory will be allocated from 1000 onwards. From 1000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory. What does it mean? 1000, 1001. From 1000 onwards, 2 bytes means 1000 memory, 1001 memory in the 10 will be stored. So first line is completed. See the second line. Int b is equal to 20. B also memory will be created. Address is 2000, value is 20. From 2000 onwards, 2 bytes. From 2000 onwards, 2 bytes, 20 will be stored. Okay, everyone know this, right? Whatever I am saying, everyone know. But I have to say basics very clearly. Because pointers is so easy if you know basics. Pointers are going to be so easy if you know basics. So I started like this. Int a is equal to 10, so a memory created 2 bytes. Int b is equal to 20, b also memory created 2 bytes. Okay, fine. Next one, third one, print %d a comma b. Remember, variable printing means inside printing. Inside whatever there you have to print. Variable you are printing, inside whatever there print. So print a 10 will be printed, print b 20 will be printed. So third line also printed, everyone fine. Everyone know this. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fourth line? Remember, if you print any variable, inside whatever there, it will be printed. No, sir, I want to print outside, means address. If you want to print address of any variable, you have to use ampersand A. Remember, ampersand A means A address will be printed 1000. Remember, because of it is an address, there is no percentage D, percentage U. Percentage U means unsigned integer. Remember, whenever it is an address, there is no meaning of signed, unsigned. There is no meaning of positive number, negative number, like that. Address is every time unsigned integer. There is no signs. So if anyone asks you what is your house number, you cannot say my house number is -25. How the house number is negative, yeah? If I ask you what is your address, you cannot say house number -25, room number is -7, right? So I think you cannot say like this. Ward number is -6, so you cannot say this. If I ask you, can you say your address? You cannot say, right? My address is ward number -8, street number -25, room number, right? Otherwise flat number -4. You cannot say this. Address cannot be negative. So that is the reason address is unsigned integer. Percentage U means what? Unsigned, there is no sign. Unsigned, there is no sign. Ampersand A means what? A address where? Outside. So 1000 will be printed. So ampersand B address 2000 will be printed. So remember, ampersand means outside will be printed. Simply A, inside whatever there, it will print. Just learn like this. Don't learn in the wrong way. Some people are saying that A means value printed. No, bhaiya. A means inside printed. Whatever is there inside, that will be printed. What is the ampersand A? Outside will be printed. Outside means this one, address. Learn properly. If I say variable name, inside will be printed. If I say ampersand A, outside will be printed. When you are printing address, please say percentage U. When you are printing address, please say percentage U. When you are printing inside people, so percentage D. So because of it is not returning anything, if you want, you can write void also. It is not returning anything. You can write void also. There is no objection. I hope everyone is fine with this problem. I hope everyone is fine. Everyone know this. This is the first problem everyone know. Remember, pointers, there are 50 problems, not one problem, two problem. 50 problems are there for pointers. For pointers, you are able to see 50 problems, right? All variations will be there, but it is starting. Sir, who said to you integer is 2 bytes? If really required in the problem, right? The person who is given the question paper, he himself will say. If you don't say, take whatever way you like, no objection at all. If he don't say, take whatever way you like, no objection at all. I feel everyone is comfortable. Let me know any objection. Yeah, I think someone is asking some nice question, right? Fine, thanks. Yeah, maybe I think in today's class itself, I will explain. In today's class itself, most probably I will explain. You will get to know. Can we move to next one? Are you okay with this problem? Are you okay with this problem till now? Yes. Can I move to next one? It's a very simple problem. It's a very simple problem. Can we go ahead? All the people, can we go ahead? Everyone, Shikhar, can we go ahead? Ayan, can we go ahead? Tarab, can we go ahead? Rutvi, can we go ahead? Check everyone check. A, print A means inside will be printed. Print ampersand A means outside will be printed. Right. I think, I hope everyone is fine. Let's go to next problem. Here itself I am writing. Next problem may give more clarity. Right, take the next problem. Main, be careful everyone, main, this is going to be interesting problem. Main int a is equal to 10, int a is equal to 10, just wait 1 minute. I am going to change a little bit. I'm going to change a little bit, just to listen correctly. Yeah, easily you will get. Don't worry. Don't worry. This one will give more clarity. Right? Second example will give more clarity. Second example will give more clarity. Assume that it is an example 1, it is an example 2. Second example will give more clarity. So in the second example, it is the first part is you, it is the second part is you, it is the third part is you, 3 parts. Instead of writing program, I given some way. Right? Now observe everyone. Observe everyone. Everyone listen. So let's talk about in the second example, first part. Let's talk about, it's a very interesting one. It's a very interesting one. In the second example, let's see first part. Careful everyone. In the second example, let's see first part. When you say int a, listen, when you say int a, for the variable a, because of a is an integer type, 2 bytes of memory allocated. 1000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory allocated inside 10. Whenever this program is running, first part is running, by seeing the declaration int a, integer, oh, integer, assume that integer is 2 bytes. 2 bytes of memory allocated. Inside that memory, you want to store 10, you store. Okay. Next one, by seeing int b, inside, right, for the b also 2 bytes of memory allocated. From 2000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory allocated. Remember, when you say int b, you are indirectly saying the person who is creating memory, I think operating system. That is the reason in the operating system subject, you will study memory management. Whenever you declare int b, right, when the program is running, the person who is creating the memory operating system will allocate for the b 2 bytes of memory. What you said to the operating system is, right, to store integer value. To store integer value for the b 2 bytes of memory required. When you set like that, it is given 2 bytes of memory. Remember, inside b, as you mentioned, you want to store integer data. Right? When you say int b, please give memory. Int b, please give memory. So the meaning is, inside b, I want to store integer, which is the 2 bytes. Please allocate 2 bytes of memory. Yes, allocated 2 bytes. But the interesting thing is, you stored address. Means you asked memory for b, integer data, but you given the address. Remember, this address to store maybe more size required. To store the address, more size may be required. Who knows? Address may be 8 bytes. So let me try here. As I mentioned to you, integer data 2 bytes, char data 1 byte. If you don't given, assume like this. Float data. right? 4 bytes. Let us assume that pointer means means address. Address, another name is pointer, right? Address is assume that address is 8 bytes. So remember like integer 2 bytes, char is 1 byte, float is 4 bytes, address also having some size. So you ask the memory, everyone listen, you ask the memory to store inside B integer. Inside B integer means they allocated 2 bytes of memory, but you assigned address. They are expecting inside B integer data, which is the 2 bytes, but you are assigning the address. Address may be more size. So this may give error message. This may give error message because you said that inside B, I want to store data. I want to store integer data. So B purpose 2 bytes of memory allocated, but you are storing address. There may be a problem. So remember, this line may create problem because you are trying to store inside 2 bytes, right? 8 bytes of memory. I'm repeating once again. You are trying to store inside B, which is the 2 bytes, 8 bytes of thing. Ampersand A means address. Address may be 8 bytes. Who knows? System to system, integer size will change, char size will change, float size will change, address size will change. System to system, address size also will change. Why? Right? In one system, more memory there. In another system, less memory is there. So system to system, address size also will change. So what I mean to say is, declaration time you have to say clearly. Inside B, I want to store integer. Means inside B, I want to store 2 bytes thing. But you are trying to store 8 bytes. It may create problem. So first code may create problem. Please observe. So in the example 2, first part may create problem because you said that inside B I want to store integer data. Means inside B I want to store 2 bytes, but you are storing 8 bytes. Address may be 8 bytes. So there may be a problem. And see the beauty here. See the beauty here. Inside A, I want to store integer data. Yes, you stored integer, no problem. Whatever you said, see inside A, I want to store integer data. Means inside A, I want to store 2 bytes data. Right? Then finally, integer data only you are storing, no problem. But inside B, you said that I will store integer data, but you stored address. Address may be more size. There may be a problem. Second line may create problem. Understand, try to understand. If anyone unable to catch, right, please see the at least second part. See everyone second part. See everyone second part. In the example 2, second part, can you see? Int A is equal to 10. Always remember, assignment operator. Assignment operator, it's okay. Declaration, see left side. Don't see right side. Lastly, you can see right also. Right? Declaration, see left side what is going on. Declaration, see what is going on left side. Declaration, see what is going on left side. So can you help int A? For the A, memory will be allocated because of integer, 2 bytes of memory allocated. When you say int A, inside A, I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes. Yes, I given. So 2 bytes, I can keep inside 2 bytes only. You are storing 10, which is the integer. 2 bytes, no problem. Next one, can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? It is a very, very important one, second one. Very, very important one. Remember, in the second one, if you observe, right, int star B, it is not B, int star B. The meaning is inside B, I want to store address. See, when you want to store inside B address, right, then you have to keep star operator. Inside B, I want to store address. So remember, inside B, I want to store address. See, you kept star operator. Inside B, I want to store address. Right? Inside B, I want to store address. So when you say inside B, I want to store address, they will allocate 8 bytes of memory. Inside that 8 bytes, ampersand A address 1000. So what I mean to say is, declaration time say properly. Declaration time say properly what you want to store inside B. Inside B, if you want to store data, don't keep star operator. Inside B, I want to store address, keep star operator. Declaration will decide what you want to store inside. If you say declaration time, inside B, I want to store data. So for B, don't keep star operator. But inside B, I want to store address. For the B, keep star operator. That star operator in the declaration time indication that inside B, I want to store address. Please give 8 bytes of memory. Okay, I think inside B, you want to store address. They are given 8 bytes of memory. There you can store these 8 bytes. Address is 8 bytes. Assume address 8 bytes. What I mean to say is, in the example 2, second part is correct. It may not create any problem. It may not create any problem. Can you see the third part? Can you see the third part? Within few minutes, I will write the example 3. You will get the more clarity. Remember, see the third part. Example 2, third part. Int A memory will be allocated. Address is 1000. Inside you store 10. It's okay. Now listen everyone now. Everyone listen. So declaration, always see left side first. Int star B. What does it mean? Inside B, I want to store address. Inside B, I want to store address. Please give 8 bytes of memory. When you see int star B, oh, star is there for B. Inside B, I want to store address. Please give 8 bytes of memory. Yes, 8 bytes given. Remember, you asked for address. Is given 8 bytes of memory. You are storing A. A means data. A means 10. So you are trying to store data. What I mean to say is, you asked for address. Is given memory for address, but you are storing the data. This will also create problem. Whatever purpose you asked memory, please store that only. If you do something else, error may come. You may say that how errors are. Sir, address is 8 bytes. Sir, address is 8 bytes. Inside 8 bytes, if you store 2 bytes, where is the problem, sir? When you say address 8 bytes, inside 8 bytes, can't I store 2 bytes? You can store. But remember, right? Sorry for this. Yeah, this one. But remember everyone, in one system, this is the behavior. In one system, address may be 8 bytes. Integer may be 2 bytes. In another system, maybe address is 2 bytes. Integer may be 8 bytes. Who knows? Address may be 2 bytes. Integer may be 8 bytes. System to system, these people will keep on change. So the best idea is, what purpose you asked for, declaration time. Please store that only. If you do any change, there may be a chance of error. What purpose you take in memory, please store that only. Don't store unnecessary stuff. If you do change, problem will come. I will rewrite again. See the note. See the note now. Everyone listen. See the note. Careful. It's a very, very important one. Very, very important one. See this one. Int A is equal to 10. Int A is equal to 10. Can you see this one? Int star B. Remember, you asked for address. If you asked for address, store address only. When you say int star B, declaration time, star operator means, you created the B for address storing purpose. Then give address only. Then there is no problem. Always correct. Next one. Int A is equal to 10. Int B. Listen everyone. Int B. You created B for the data purpose. See, no star. You created B for the data purpose. Then what you do is store data only. Data purpose, if you create data only store, there is no problem. Some people are asking, sir, how can you say B for a data purpose? See, for the B, declaration time for the B, there is no star operator. So B created for data only. You are storing data only, no problem. Data purpose created, data only given, no problem. Address purpose you created, address only given, no problem. These two are always correct. See, what purpose you created, please store that only. If you do something else, there may be a problem. Some people are asking, sir, what may be the problem? If you do ulta, there may be a problem. Can you see? Int A is equal to 10. See everyone, int A is equal to 10. Can you see this one? Int star B. You promised that inside B address I will store, but you are storing data. It is a wrong. Whatever you promised, you are not doing. Declaration time you set to the right operating system or compiler, I will store inside B address, but you are storing data. There is a problem. It is not a good idea. Next one, in the one more way. Int A is equal to 10. You said that inside B, I will store data. Inside B, I will store data, but you are storing address. This is also not correct approach. What purpose you created, please store that only. This is the many people don't know. Many people don't know. Many students don't know this. Many people are teaching on YouTube. Many people are teaching on YouTube. They don't know this. They don't know this. Without knowing this, they will teach. Without knowing this, they will teach. Remember what purpose you created. Store that only. If you create for the address purpose, store address. If you store other than address, anything can happen. Sometimes may be error, sometimes may not be error. If it is really correct, every time should be correct. So I am writing here. I am writing here. See this one. First one, always correct. Second one, always correct. Third one, sometimes may fail. Fourth one, sometimes may fail. One time fail also, fail only. One times fail also, fail only. Some people are asking, sir, one time fail how? Right, there is a one student in the BTech. There are assumed that 50 subjects. There is a one student in the BTech. 50 subjects are there. 49 subjects he passed. One subject there is a backlog. So finally fail only. Sir, one fail. How can you say fail, sir? Ready, sir? One fail. How can you say fail? There is a one student in the BTech. 50 subjects are there total. 49 he passed. One subject only is having backlog. Overall fail only. Overall fail only. So that's what I want to say to you. What purpose you created, please store that only. If you store something else, problem will come. If you store something else, problem will come. So right, so I think everyone got it. This note is very, very important. If you can get this one, most of the things you can handle. Let's see anyone having any objection. Let's see anyone having any objection. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Yes. Can we move? Remember what purpose you created. That only store. You are created for something. You are doing something else. Problem may come. Problem may come. If you do something else, problem may come. What purpose you created, do that only. If you do other than that, problem may come. Right? Problem may come. See, third one may create problem. Sometimes may not come also. Sometimes may not come also. But one time fail also, fail only. So first one, second one, no problem. Why? Address purpose you created, address you are storing. Data purpose you created, data you are storing. Some people are asking, how can you say I created for data purpose? Some people are saying, how can I say I created for data? See, for the B, there is no star operator. In the declaration time, for any person, there is a star. Means you are storing inside address. So, but here there is no star. So I created B for the data purpose. You are storing data only, no problem. Right? Okay. I think you are okay. Now I am giving one problem. Check now. Example 3. Now you are okay. Now you are okay. Example 3. Can you take this? Example 3. Can you take this one? Main int a is equal to 10. Int star b is equal to ampersand a. Can you help me now? Is there any problem? Till now, any problem? I want answer from all of you. I want answer from all of you. Any problem till now? Int a is equal to 10. Int star b is equal to ampersand a. Till now, any problem? No. So I will write also. See this one. I will explain also. Can you see this one? Int a is equal to 10. A memory will allocate. 10 address is 1000. Remember, the meaning of int a is Inside A, I want to store integer data. Inside A, I want to store integer data, which is 2 bytes. Yeah, 2 bytes are memory created. So integer data I am storing, no problem. First line, no problem. Can you see second line? Can you see second line? Inside B, everyone listen. Inside B, I want to store address. So 8 bytes. So let me see this one. Inside B, I want to store address because you kept star operator. Inside B, you want to store address. So 8 bytes of memory will be allocated. You are storing 8 bytes. Can you say what is the ampersand A? A address. A address is 1000. Inside B, you are storing address. There is no problem. Right? You only said that inside B, I want to store address. How? Star means address. Declaration time star is there means inside B you want to store address. Address means 8 bytes. 8 bytes of memory allocated. You stored 8 bytes. There is no problem. Till now there is no issue. I feel so. Till now there is no problem. I feel so. Anyone having any objection? Till now there is no problem in my opinion. In my opinion, till now there is no problem. Anyone having any issue? Make it fast. Make it fast. Respond. Till now, any issue? Everyone respond. Till now, any issue? B contain 1000 or 10. Are Shikhar, how can you ask? Inside B, I am storing ampersand A. A address, yeah. A address. I am not storing A. I am storing ampersand A. A address. A address is 1000, na? A address is 1000. So, right, declaration time you set to B, hello B, inside you I am storing address. Address means the 8 bytes. Please give 8 bytes of memory. When you asked 8 bytes of memory, they given 8 bytes. What you stored ampersand A address. You stored address. 8 byte address purpose you created. You are storing address, no problem. Any objection till now? Any objection till now? Oi! Oi! Any objection? बताओ यार, बताओ. Any objection? No objection? If no objection, please everyone respond. Everyone respond. Till now, in the program, how many variables are created? If you really okay, till now in the program, how many variables are created? Till now in the program, how many variables created? Yeah, 2. Exactly, 2. 2 variable. Can you say the names? Till now, see how many declarations are there, those many variables are created. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. How many declarations, those many variables are created. So A declaration, A created. B declaration, B created. 2 variables are created. Can you say the names? I want answer from all of you. 2 variables are created. I am very happy. Can you say the names? Can you say the names? A, B or A comma star B. 2 variables are created, okay. Is it A and B or A and star B? Two variables are created, I am very happy. But what are the names of those variables? Yeah. A and star B or A and B? Let me know everyone. Two variables are created. Okay. Names are A and B or A and star B. What? I'm asking what is the name? I'm not asking what is storing and all. I'm not asking. I'm asking what are the names of variables. What are the names of variables? Two variables created. Okay. Two variables are created. I am happy. But what are the names of variable? Yeah. And Shikhar saying A and star B. Ayan also saying A and star B. Ruthvi also saying A and star B. I am asking what is the variable name. I am not asking the type. Ruthvi, I am not asking the type. Ruthvi, I am not asking the type. I am asking you what are the names. Two variables created. Okay. What are the names? A and B or A and star B? Two variables created. Okay. A and B or A and star B? A and B or A and star B? Remember. Two variables are created. Those names are, right? Someone is saying A and star B. Someone is saying A and B. Remember, variable name cannot be star B. Two variables are created. Those names are A and B. Variable name cannot be star B. Variable name cannot be star B. Variable name is B only. If you want, you can verify. Can you see this one? Variable name is B only. See this. Variable name is A only. Variable name is B only. Variable name cannot be star B. If anyone thinking that variable name is star B, I will just say one interesting story. There is a one person, his name is Ajay. See the example. There is a one person whose name is Ajay. Ajay is going in the blue light. He is going in one of the car. On the top of the car, there is a blue light. There is a Ajay who is going in a car. Top of the car is having a blue light. If anyone asks me what is the name of that person, I cannot say blue light Ajay. I cannot say this. I cannot say his name, right? What is his name? Blue light Ajay. No, bhaiya. His name is Ajay only. There is a Ajay going in a car. On top of the car, there is a blue light. If someone asks me what is his name, I have to say Ajay only. I cannot say blue light Ajay, red light Vijay, green light, right, Ravi. I cannot say like that. What is his name? He is going in the green light Vijay, red light Ajay, blue light Sita. Right? I cannot do that. I cannot do that. Right? So I think white Sita, white Rama, I cannot do, yeah. That is their property. That is their property. Some people are asking, then what is the meaning of these stars are? Inside B, there may be some specialty. Inside B, there may be address. That is the reason star. Inside B, there is an address. To mark it, you kept star operator. That may be one property of that variable. Right? There may be the person who is sitting in a car. On top of the car, there is a green light or there is a blue light. That may be some property. That may be one of his property, but the important thing is his name is Ajay only. His name is not blue light Ajay. His name is not red light Vijay. His name is not white color Sita. It is not like that. But I hope everyone got it. Again, I am asking. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Everyone get it. How many variables are created till now? I want answer from all of you. How many variables are created till now? Please give answer till now. How many variables are created till now? Two variables. Names. Two variables are created. I am very happy. Names. A and B. Next one. Some people are asking, names is A and B. Okay. Then what is the difference, sir? Inside A, data. Inside B, address. Inside A, data will store. Inside B, address is stored. Inside any person, if data is stored, it is simply variable. But inside B, if you store address, inside anyone, if you store address, it is also a variable. It is called pointer variable. One is a data variable, another one is a pointer variable. Pointer variable means address variable, because inside address there. Some people are asking, sir, how many variables? 2. What are the names? A and B. Then what is the difference? Inside A, data. Oh, A is a data variable. Inside B, address. Oh, inside B, address. Oh, address variable. Another name is called as pointer variable. Let me write now. A is A. A is a data variable. A is a data variable. Is a variable only, but data there inside. It is a data variable. Simply people used to say that variable. Because nothing special, people used to say variable. But inside B, you are storing address variable, which is called as an address variable. Inside B, you are storing address variable. Because of something special, people used to say that pointer variable. Inside B, address means pointer variable. Remember, A also variable, B also variable. A is a data variable. B is a pointer variable. That is the only difference. That is only difference. Until now, how many variables created? You done, almost you got it. Almost you got, no doubt at all. Almost you got. Until now, how many variables created? You got it. I can clearly see you got it. Until now, how many variables created? I can clearly see you got it. How many variables created till now? Make it fast. How many variables created till now? 2. What are the names? What are the names? What are the names here? 2 variables are created. What are the names? A and B. Then what is the difference between A and B? Then what is the difference between A and B? What is the answer? A contain data. So A is a data variable. B contain address. B is a pointer variable. B is a pointer variable. And one more. In the declaration, beside A, why you didn't kept a star operator? Inside A, data. No need of star. Now, in the declaration, beside B, why you kept a star operator? Inside B, address. Inside B, address. To say address. So inside B, right beside B, I have to keep star operator. To indicate inside B address I am storing, you have to keep star operator. To indicate right inside A, I am not storing the address, I am storing the data. There is no need to keep star operator. So declaration time, always see left side only. Don't see right side. In the declaration, so declaration means something like data type. This is the declaration. This entire line is called declaration. Declaration time, only see left side. It will give clarity. Declaration time, only see left side. It will give clarity. Oh, inside B, you are storing address. That is the reason star operator. Okay, now because of everyone, okay. Because of everyone, okay. Can you see this one? Print, everyone observe, print percentage D, percentage U, A comma B. Can you help? Variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside or outside? Please help me. Variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside or outside? Inside only. Variable name means inside. If you go to the inside A, 10 will be printed. If you go inside B, 1000 will be printed. But remember, this 10 is a value. But this 1000 is a address. Because of address. So there is a percentage U. Variable means inside only. Inside whatever there, print it. Inside whatever there, print it. Inside whatever there, print it. Print A, print A. Because of A is a normal variable. If I print A, data will print. Print B, print B. You will get to know. Don't ask me anything. Right? Further you will get. Don't ask me anything. Yeah, whatever is going on, please enjoy. Whatever going on, please enjoy. Kittu Bhaiya, control. Kittu Bhaiya, control. Kittu Bhaiya is asking how to print 10 using B. Kittu Bhaiya, control. Right? Printing variable means inside whatever there, print it. Variable means inside whatever there, print it. So if I go inside A, data. If I go inside B, address, because B is a pointer variable. Inside pointer variable, if you go, address will be there. Inside data variable, if you go, data will be there. But remember, whatever there inside, print it. Inside A, data. So 10 will be print. Inside B, address. So 1000 will print. Right. Next one. Can you help me? Once again? See this? Printf. Everyone observe. Print A, what will print? I want answer. Print A, what will print? Variable means inside. Print A, what will print? 10 will print. Right? 10 will print. Now see the answer. Very interesting. Can you see everyone? Print B, what will print? Please help me. Print B, what will print? Variable means inside. Print B, what will print? Hello, print B, what will print? Array BR. Variable means inside. Garbage value or error? Array Kittu, if I give one kick, you will die. Array Kittu Bhaiya, if I give one kick, you will die. He is so eager. He is so greedy. Variable means inside, na? Variable means inside, na? So print B 1000. Listen everyone now. Variable means inside. Print B 1000. Listen everyone now. Print B means 1000. If I say star B, star 1000. If I keep the star also, star B, B 1000, star 1000 means the value inside 1000. The value inside 1000, 10. This will give 10. It will print 10. So first one will print 10. Second one also print 10. Fine. So B is 1000. Star B means the value inside 1000. B means 1000 only. Variable means inside 1000. Star B, the value inside 1000. The value inside 1000 is 10. 10 will be there. Fine. Are you okay? Now I will explain. Don't worry, I will explain. Please see once. In this program, how many places I used star operator? Please give answer. In this program, how many places I used star operator? Don't confuse. In this program, how many places I used star operator? 2 places. One is declaration time or not? One star you use declaration time. Another star. See, it is not a declaration. Remember, it is not a declaration. But it is a declaration. Remember, declaration time star means, remember everyone, declaration. Declaration time star means inside B, inside B, inside B, address is stored. Address we have to store. Inside B, address we have to store. That is the meaning. Inside B, address we have to store. So allocate. So allocate 8 bytes of memory. Remember, declaration purpose is creating memory. Inside B, address we have to store. So allocate 8 bytes of memory because address to store 8 bytes required. Now come to, remember it is not a declaration. It is a normal statement. In the normal statement, star operator means, remember, in the normal place, star operator means, what is the B 1000? B means 1000. So listen everyone know, B means 1000, right? So star B means the value at B. What is the B 1000? The value at 1000. B means 1000. The value at 1000, which will goes to 10. Star B means the value at B. The value at B. What is the B 1000? The value at 1000, which is 10. So remember, star having two meaning. Declaration time one meaning, remaining places another meaning. What is the declaration time? Declaration time, if you keep star operator before B, you want to say that inside B I want to store address. Means 8 bytes of memory required for B because B will store address. 8 bytes memory required. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Now when you see the fourth line, it is not a declaration. It is a normal usage. It is not declaration. Usage. It is a usage or using. It is a normal usage. Star B means the value at B. What is the B? B variable means inside. B means 1000. The value at 1000. The value at 1000. So try to, if you can catch this problem, you got pointers. You got this problem means you got pointer. Now it is a very, very important one. It is a very, very important one. B is a normal variable or a pointer variable? It is a very, very important question to all the people. B is a normal variable or a pointer variable? B is a normal variable or a pointer variable? Everyone give answer. B is a normal variable or pointer variable? Pointer variable, remember, because of it is a pointer variable, to get the data. See this one. Declaration time you said that. B is a pointer variable. Means inside B address is there. Declaration time you said that B is a address variable or pointer variable. When you say B is a pointer variable, B is a pointer variable means inside B address there. To get the data from the B, 1 star required. Already you said that inside B address there. To get the data, 1 star you have to apply. Declaration time, whatever you said, usage time also same thing will happen. Can you help me now? A is a normal variable or a pointer variable? A is a normal variable or pointer variable? A is a normal variable or pointer variable? Normal variable. Normal variable means declaration time also no star operator. Right? Usage time also no star. See, if I say directly A, I will get data. Directly A, I will get data. Normal variable, you will get the data normal way. Pointer variable, you will get the data after applying pointer. See, 1 star required to get the data. Because declaration time you said that inside B address there. To get the data, you have to apply 1 star. Right? If you apply 1 star, you will get the data. Can you help me now? Who will give data directly? Normal variable or not? I will write here. Normal variable will give data directly. No star, nothing. Normal variable will give data directly. Next one, pointer variable will give data after applying pointer. Pointer means star. Pointer variable will give data after applying pointer. That's it. If you make complex, to get the data also complex. If you make normal, to get the data also normal. Yes, is it fine? Is it fine? At the entrance, declaration time, if you make normal, usage time also normal. Declaration time, if you make complex, declaration time, if you make complex, usage time also it will become complex. Whatever way you make, it will be like that. If you make complex declaration, retrieval time also becomes complex. I think you got little bit. This problem you got little bit. This problem you got little bit. You do this problem also, you will get the clarity. Yeah, let's try this. Try this problem. Everyone try this. Yeah, can you go ahead? This problem, if you can give without small doubt also. This problem, if you can give without small doubt also, you are perfect. Yeah, I will give the answer. Very less people, I think, got the clarity. Now listen. This only this problem you get clarity. In today's class, this is the major problem. In today's class, this is the major problem. If you don't have any doubt in this problem, if you don't have any doubt in this problem, you can handle anything. In today's class, it is the major one. Let's see. First one. See the first one. Declaration. Remember, declaration means creating memory. How many declarations are there? Those many memories are created. See, int a, normal variable, normal integer variable. See, right? No address, nothing. Int a, integer type, one variable, 2 bytes of memory allocated, 1000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory continuously. Inside that, you are storing 10. Okay, that is okay. Now see the answer. Now see the second statement. It is also declaration. I have to create memory, but important thing you remember, inside B you are storing address. Inside B you are storing address. Address storing is 8 bytes. So 2000 onwards, 8 bytes of memory allocated. Important thing is inside B it is expecting address you have to store. Ampersand A is expecting address. You are storing also address. No problem. That is also okay. So how many declarations are there? Those many times memory should create. Okay, that is okay. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? So it is also declaration creating memory. But interesting thing is how many bytes? Let's check. So C is a variable, okay, but inside you are storing address. 1 star, 2 star doesn't matter. C followed by star is there. Oh, address. C followed by star is there. So address. To store address, you have to create memory. To store address, you have to create memory. Okay, I created, right? But how many bytes are memory? Inside C, you are storing address. 1 star, 2 star doesn't matter. Inside C, you are storing address. Oh, address storing. Address storing 8 bytes required. 8 bytes of memory allocated. Inside C, you are expecting address. What you return? Ampersand B. B address is 2000. 2000 will store. A address is stored in the B address is stored in the C. At the end of the day, address. Remember, B also contain address. That is the reason B is a pointer variable. C also contain address. That is the reason C also pointer variable. So now it is the correct time to ask you, how many variables are created till now? Please help me, everyone. How many bytes of memory allocated till now? Everyone respond. Everyone respond. Everyone respond. How many people created till now? 3 people. Can you say the names? Can you say the names? 3 people created. I am very happy. Can you say the names? Can you say the names? 3 people created. I am very happy. What are the names? A, B, C. A, B, C. And one more beautiful question. 3 variables are created. Names are A, B, C. Okay. Can you say what is the A size? What is the A size? 3 variables created, okay. Names are A, B, C, that is also okay. What is the A size? Inside A, you are simply storing data, 2 bytes. But what is the size of B? Inside B, you are storing address. Address purpose, 8 bytes. What is the size of C? Inside C, you are storing address. Address purpose, 8 bytes. So A size is 2 bytes, B size is 8 bytes, C size also 8 bytes. Right? A size is 2 byte, B size is 8 byte, C size also 8 byte. Now, can you help me one small line now? A is a normal variable or pointer variable? Inside A simply data. Inside A simply data. A is a normal variable or not? A is normal variable. Means simply variable. A is a normal variable. Can you help me now? What about B? B is a pointer variable or not? Inside B, you are storing address. Inside B, you are storing address. So B is pointer variable. Fine. B is a pointer variable. Now listen, very interesting answer. Very interesting answer. B is a pointer variable. Okay. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? C also pointer variable or not? Inside B, address is there. So B is a pointer variable. Inside C also address there. C also pointer variable. But one thing, inside C also address. So C is a pointer variable. Can you help me now? Inside C address. So is a pointer variable. If I take that address, listen, if I take that address, if I go, you will get the data or you will get the address. See, inside C address. So C is a pointer variable. If I go to that address, right, there also again address there. If I take that address and if I go, lastly data. What I mean to say is C contain address. But if I go to that address, again address. If I go to that address, lastly data. Remember, C is a pointer variable, but C is a double pointer. Double pointer. See, 2 times address. First I have address. If I go to that address, again address. If I go, lastly data will come. So C is a double pointer. So you may say that, sir, what is B, sir? B is single pointer. What is the meaning of single pointer? B contain address. If I go there, I will get data. See, B contain address. If I go there, I will get data. C is a double pointer. C is a double pointer. What is the meaning? C contain address. If I go there, again address. If I go to that place, I will get data. Everyone goal is how to get the actual data. Can you help who is very close to data? Who is very close to data? A or not? That is the reason A is a normal variable. Who is very close to data? A is a normal variable. No star required, nothing required. From the A to get the data, from the A to get the data, simply say A. From the A to get the data, simply say A. But from the B, can you help From the B to get the data, simply B enough or star B required? From the B to get the data, simple B enough or star B required? Only B means, variable means inside. B means 1000. B means 1000. Star B, the value inside 1000. Star 10 will come. So from the B to get the value, 1 star required. Can you help me? Very, very interesting answer. From the C to get the data, 2 stars required or not? From the C to get the data, 2 stars required or not? It is a little far away. Double pointer is a little far away. To get the data, 2 stars required. Every star, listen, every star is a one memory access. 1 star means you accessed one memory. 1 more star means 1 more memory access. Can you help me now? Who is giving data directly? Who is giving data directly? No memory access, nothing. Who is giving data directly? No memory access, nothing. Who is giving data directly? A. This is called as immediate addressing mode. This is called as immediate addressing mode. This is called immediate addressing mode. Next one, with 1 star I will get the data. That is called direct addressing mode. With 2 stars you will get the data. That is called indirect addressing mode. In I think COA terminology, directly will get data. Normal variable, direct. Simply say print A, data will come. Right? But in the case of the B, 1 star required, means 1 memory access. 1 memory access, that is called direct addressing mode. Star, right? Next one, for the C, 2 stars required. 2 memory access, indirect addressing mode. Let's start one by one. Everyone listen. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. What is the A? 10. What is the B? 1000. What is the C? 2000. Variable means inside. Remember, 10 is a data, percentage D. 1000 is a address, percentage U. 2000 also address, percentage U. So that is the 4th line. Now go to the 5th line. So print A, 10, percentage D. Now listen now. B is, as you mentioned, B is 1000. B is 1000, star 1000. The value inside 1000, 10. So this will print 10. Next one, C is 2000. Everyone observe, C is 2000. star 2000, the value inside 2000. Inside 2000 is 1000. C is 2000, star 2000, the value inside 2000 means 1000. 1000 will be printed. Remember, lastly address, percentage in. Second one is data, percentage T. Next one, A10, okay, percentage D. Next one, can you see this one? B is 1000, star 1000, which is 10, percentage D. Next one, C is 2000, star 2000, 1000, star 1000, the value inside 1000, 10. So this is also 10, percentage D. Yeah, I think depending upon how much far away. If you are very close, direct A enough. If you are little bit close, 1 star enough. 1 star enough. If you are so far away, something like 2 stars. Are you really okay with this problem? If you okay with this, you got pointers. If you okay with this, you got pointers. Reddy sir, I am okay with this. You got pointer. Trust me, you got pointer. You can dance also. You can dance also. I got pointer. I got pointer. You can do break dance also. Rutvi, you can do break dance. Ayan, you can do break dance on the main road. Go to national highway. There you can do break dance, saying that I know pointer. I know pointer. I know pointer. Are Kittu, you can do Bharatanatyam in front of your house. You can do Bharatanatyam. I spoiled Reddy sir life. I got the finally pointer, right? So you can do Bharatanatyam in front of your house. Please start doing. Please start doing. Please start doing. Please. Are Kittu, please do it. You killed my life. You killed my life. Please do in front of your house Bharatanatyam. I know pointer. I know pointer. I know pointer. Please do Bharatanatyam. You already killed my life. Ayan, go to 4th floor of the building, jump from there and say, I know pointer, I know pointer, I know pointer. Go to 4th floor of the building, from there you jump and say, I know pointer, I know pointer, I know pointer. When you fall down on the ground floor, you will know everything. You will know everything. Can we move further? This problem you are okay means you are okay with the pointers. This problem you are okay means you are okay with the pointers. Sir, people might beat me. Whatever will happen will happen. Let them beat. What is the problem? Let them beat. What is the problem? You are happy you are doing. That is their issue. That is their issue. Yeah. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Next one is very danger. Next one is very danger. Can we go to next? So Kittu saying that why sir make us still more strong with pointer concept, because Cisco is asking tough questions. Bhaiya, if I try for Cisco, gate rank become Gisco. Kittu Bhaiya, if I try for Cisco, right, keep on saying all the C programs only, right? I can teach 1 year. 1 year I will keep on teach the C programming. So finally we'll get the Cisco. Gate rank becomes Gisco. Is it okay? Bhaiya, Kittu Bhaiya, finally gate rank is Gisco. Is it okay? This person, what purpose we are doing? We are doing for gate exam purpose, na? We are doing for gate exam purpose. Mostly, see, after 50 programs, you will be all right. After 50 programs, we will be all right. This good like Kittu saying, make me strong in the Cisco. Then what about gate rank, Bhaiya? You don't want gate rank or what? Only one subject you want. Chalo. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Whatever is required for GATE exam, I will make you everything all right, and I will stop the C programming. Everything I will make all right. Every PYQ you are able to solve so easily. Every PYQ you are able to solve so easily. So easily you will solve. Every C program of PYQs you are able to solve so easily. You feel that directly came from the notes. Directly came from the notes. You feel like that. You feel like that. Okay, fine. Yeah, I think let me complete this thing also. These are our previous rankers. These are our previous rankers. So if you also want to be a ranker, you can happily join in the EPT. Next one is right, some combo offers are going on. 70% offer is going on all. You can join. You can go for 1 year course. You can go for the foundation course, crash course, combo course, rank improvement course, whatever you want you can select. If you are preparing for PSUs also, GATE CSE plus PSU we can prepare. So GATE CSE for the plus placements also, or only placements also you can go ahead. And one more thing is right, Oracle database course also going on, and the full stack web development, app development also going on. Right, you can use this code EPT 595 ARJ. Right, you will get the 70% discount. So this month only last batch. In the next, from the next month onwards, no batch. From the next month onwards, no new batch. Those people who want to join in the next month, they can do Bharatanatyam. Right, go to forest. In the forest, you can do Bharatanatyam, because next month onwards, no new batch also. Go to forest. Right, in the forest to do Bharatanatyam, because no new batch also. If you serious, right, in this month itself you can join, because next month onward there is no new batch there. Right, fine. Now come to your story. Now come to your story. One more problem, let me say. Yeah, I think this is the problem number. Let me write the problem numbers. I think it is a two. Problem number two. It is a problem number three. If you want, I will give three here. It's example 4, example 5. Yeah, let's go for example 6. Let's go for example 6. Yeah, write down. No, they are the basics. Rutvi, they are basics. Right? Now only GATE problems will not come. They will come further. They will come further. Right? So as of now, I cannot give. Slowly, one by one will come. Slowly, one by one, all GATE problems will come. From now onwards, every GATE problem will say, "Hi Rutvi, how are you? Hi Kittu, how are you?" Right? From now onwards, by seeing every problem, you want to cry. Right, from now onwards, by seeing every problem you want to cry. Let's see will you cry or not. Let's see you will cry or not. Yeah, take this one. Main. Yeah, go ahead. Can you execute? What is the output of this program? It's very interesting. This problem, if you can handle, this is the worst thing which can happen in your life. This is the worst thing which can happen in your life. Some people are thinking that worst thing which can happen in life is not getting job. Worst thing which can happen in life is worst thing which can happen in life is some breakup. No, bhaiya, they are nothing. Yeah, breakup is nothing. Jobs are nothing. The worst thing which can happen in life is this problem only. This is the worst thing which can happen. Can you handle it? I'm expecting answer from everyone. This is the maximum thing which can happen in your life. Try this. Forget about percentage D, percentage U. Don't worry about those. Don't worry about those. Don't worry about those. Whatever you feel, please do. Whatever you feel, please do. Try your opinion. Don't worry about answer. Even though wrong, no problem. I know you will do wrong. I know you will do wrong. If anyone is dancing, if anyone is dancing, I know pointer. If anyone is dancing on the YouTube, please give this problem to them. If anyone is dancing on the YouTube, I know pointer. Please give this problem. He don't talk to you further. He don't talk to you further. If you find anyone on the YouTube, right, while dancing, I know pointer. Please give this problem. He will block you. If you want, you can check. If anyone say, I know pointer, I know pointer on the YouTube. Please give this problem. They will surely block you. They will surely block you. So remember, first printf. It is not a comma b. It is a b. First printf is not a comma b. It is simply a b. Now listen. Now listen once. Now listen once. Everyone listen. So A10 address 1000. Next one B 2000. Inside B ampersand A 1000. Next one C 3000. Inside C ampersand B 2000. Are you comfortable till now? Are you comfortable till now? Yeah. Now give the answer to me. Can you help me? Variable means inside or outside? Be careful. From the first printf onwards, be careful. From the first printf onwards, be careful. Variable name means inside or outside? Variable name means inside or outside? Inside. A is what? 10. B is what? 1000. Can you help me now? You written two people side by side without any operator. Is it error? You written two variables side by side without any operator. There is a meaning of A plus B. There is a meaning of A minus B. There is a meaning of A into B. There is a meaning. Without any operator, how can you write two operands side by side? Is it error or not? I think is it syntax error or not? Syntax problem. How can you write two operands? How can you write two operands without any operator in between them? Two operands you cannot write side by side without any operator. Right? So I think one is wrong. One is a syntax error. Is it okay? Syntax problem, because no expression contain two operands without any operator. Okay, now see the second one. Very interesting. See the second one. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. A means 10. Listen, A means 10. Can you help me? A means 10, okay. B means 1000, that is also okay. Can you say what is the star 1000? The value inside 1010. Can you help me? No? Is it almost like 10 followed by 10 or not? B means 1000, star B means the value inside 1000. A is 10, okay. B is 1000, that is also okay. Star B, the value inside 1010. 10 and 10 side by side. I think this is also error or not? Two people you cannot write side by side without any operator. This is also error. Now it's a very interesting. It is a very interesting. Listen, it is a very interesting. Everyone observe. Very interesting. Very interesting. Please help me. In the second printf, that star is a multiplication or pointer. In the second statement, that star is a multiplication or pointer. In the second statement, that star is a multiplication or pointer. That is not a multiplication, it is a pointer. Because star 1000 became 10. 10 followed by 10. Someone is saying comma. I didn't kept comma. Shikhar, I didn't kept comma, na? From where comma will come? From where comma will come? You only say. Right? Now see the third one. After third one is over, you may get clarity. Can you say A is 10? Variable means inside. B is 1000. That is also okay. Can you help me now? Star 1000. The value inside 1010. Then it became 10 into 10. It became 100. No problem. Third statement, no problem. 10 into 10. Can you help me now? In the third printf, one star is a pointer, another star is a multiplication. Am I right or wrong? In the third printf, one star is a pointer. First star is a pointer. Second star is a multiplication. Will you agree? You will get to know. I will explain. You will get to know. As of now, one is a pointer, one is a multiplication. Will you agree? I will say the reason. Bro, Kittu bro. Arey Kittu, kill me, yeah, kill. He want everything now only. This Kittu person saying everything you want now only. Everything. Kittu behavior is in such a way that Kittu went to, right? Kittu want to marry. So what the family people done is some match, right? Some marriage matching. So marriage matching purpose is went to one of the house. Kittu behavior is in such a way that, right, Kittu family searching for a girl. So they went to one of the girl's house. So, right, so all the elders are saying, kid 2 and right, that person, right, girl or boy, whatever it is. So kid 2 and that girl, right, all the elders are saying, you both people please go and talk. You both people please go and talk. Then kid 2 saying, instead of saying hi, hello, I am kid 2, I am studying this one, I am preparing for GATE examination, in the pointer class is going on. Instead of introducing like this, one, kid 2 saying that, right, when we will get the kids, how many kids we will get? Can we start? Can we start the kids? Arey bhaiya, that is just introduction, yaar. Introduction, man. Whenever introduction is going on, please give introduction. You want everything in one day. Everything you want in one day, huh? Everything you want in one day. What is this? See, he's saying that it can be double pointer also. It will come, bhaiya. Bhaiya, it will come. It will come. Just when the elders will say talk, please talk. Elders are saying, please talk. You talk. My name is kid 2. I am from Hyderabad. Right. So how are you? Right. So what you are going to do? What is your ambitions? What is my ambition? Talk normally or talk sensibly. You are directly started. How many kids we will get? What is the first kid? When we will start the process? Arey man, the control. Now come here. Come here now. Can you see the fourth line? Very, very interesting. Can you see the fourth line? A is 10. Be careful. A is 10. See the answer? Variable means inside. C is 2000. Star 2000. The value inside 2000 is 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000, 10. So this will become 10 followed by 10. There is no operator in between. Again error. Again error. Now let's see this. It is a 10. It is 2000. Star 2000, 1000. Star 1000, 10. So it became 10 followed by 10. It will become 100. Now it is a correct time to ask you. Very interesting. Can you help me now? In the fifth printf, first 2 stars are pointers or not? In the fifth printf, first 2 stars are pointers or not? But third star is a multiplication. First 2 stars are pointer, right? Last one is a multiplication. How? I will explain. Kid 2, I will explain. The reason why I played joke on you is, you will remember many days. Nothing personal. You no need to. I think he is cursing me. This kid 2 guy, this kid 2 boy, he is cursing me. How can you say me like this? How can you say me? He is cursing me. No, bhaiya, no need to curse. I said like that so that you will remember many days. Right? Fine. So in the fifth line, in the fifth one, there are 3 stars are there. 2 stars are pointer. 1 star is multiplication. In the fourth one, if you observe, 2 stars are there. Both the stars are pointers only. There is no multiplication. Right? Now can you come to sixth line? A10. So C is 2000. Star 2000 is 1000. Star 1000 is 10. Now this became, can you help me now? 10, 2 stars, sorry, 3 stars, 10. I think, is it error or not? Yes? I don't know. What should I do? Totally 5 stars. 2 stars are over. Remaining 3 stars are left out. I don't know. What should I do? Why you kept these many operators? There is no use. Error. Now can you see this one? A10, B is 1000, star 1000, 10. So this became 10 followed by 2 stars. It is also error. Right? It is also right error. Now give answer. Listen, now give answer. Very, very interesting. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Very interesting. Very interesting. In the third line, observe clearly. In the third line, how many star operator? In the third printf, how many star operator? In third printf, how many star operator? 2. In the third printf, 2 star operator. Can you say out of 2 star, how many stars are pointer? How many stars are multiplication? I want answer. Third printf having 2 stars. I am very happy. Out of those 2 stars, how many stars are pointer? How many stars are multiplication? In the third printf, 2 stars are there. How many stars are multiplication? How many stars are pointer? I think 1 star, 1 pointer. Am I right? 1 star. Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? In the third printf, B will take 1 star only pointer. Why? In the third printf, B will take 1 star only pointer, not 2 stars as a pointer. What is the reason? In the third printf, B will take 1 star only pointer, not 2 stars as a pointer. What is the reason? In the third printf, even though 2 stars are there, B will take 1 star only as a pointer. Why? B is a single pointer. B is a single pointer. In the declaration, you said that, hello B, you are a single pointer. Don't try to take more stars. You are a single pointer. You have right of only single pointer. So in the third statement, even though B having 2 stars, he will take 1 star only pointer because he is a single pointer. Remaining is multiplication. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fifth line? Very, very interesting. Can you see the fifth line? Can you see the fifth line? In the fifth line, 3 stars are there. 2 stars only B will take. What is the reason? 2 stars only pointer. What is the reason? Right? C is a double pointer. In the fifth line, C will take 2 stars as pointer. Why? C is a double pointer. He will take 2 stars. Remaining is a multiplication. Remember, I am no one to decide. Declaration will decide. Declaration saying that C is a double pointer. Oh, so C will take 2 stars. Remaining is a multiplication. So here C taken 2 stars, remaining not there. So that is the reason error. Now here if you observe the sixth one, C taken 2, right? Remaining so many are there. You don't know what you have to do, error message. Now here B is a single pointer, 1 star only B taken, remaining people you don't know what you have to do, you got error. So remember, declaration is very, very important. Declaration time, what you declare, accordingly you have to behave. Declaration time, what you declare, according to you have to behave. So the answer of this problem is, third line will print 100. Third line will print 100. And one more thing is, third line will print 100, that's okay. I think, what about fourth line? No. Fifth line, right? Fifth line will print 100. Remaining all are error. Is it okay? Remaining all are errors. Is it okay? Fine. Sir, why is C not taking many stars, sir? Sir, why is C not taking many stars? In the declaration, what you said, that only he can take maximum. In the declaration, whatever you said, those many stars only he can take maximum. That is the purpose of declaration. Declaration, whatever he said, right? Accordingly, you have to use further. This problem, very less people can do. See, this problem can be done by either me or my students. You give this problem to anyone. Normally, they don't do. If they do, ask, are you ready, sir, student? He will say yes. This problem, No one will do. If anyone will do, just ask him, are you ready, sir? Student, yes. Over. Fine. Is it okay? It's a very, very important problem. Very, very important problem. Are kid 2, are you happy now? Kid 2, are you happy now? Declaration time, what you said. Accordingly, you have to behave further. If you don't behave further, you may get error message. Declaration time, what you said. Accordingly, you have to behave further. Right? If you don't behave, if you don't declare properly, serious problems will come. Right? So remember this. So many ways I explained, so many possibilities I done. So please go through all of them. Right? Fine. Yeah. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Today's class is a very nice class. Pointer starting. Approximately 50 pointer problems we will do. After 50, you can handle anything. After 50 problems, you can handle anything. Right? Yeah. So kid 2 saying that, sir, my doubt. What is the doubt? Yeah, let me try. Kid 2 asked me some doubt. Can you see this one? Everyone listen. Yeah, float. Careful. Float A is equal to 0.2. Float A is equal to 0.2. I think kid 2 asked some question. Can you see this one? If A is equal to 0.2, print high, else print by. So this is the directly, this is the kid 2 problem. Remember everyone, directly, this is the kid 2 problem. Right? If A is equal to, float A is equal to 0.2, A is equal to 0.2, print high, else print by. Now listen everyone. Can you represent A 0.2? Is there any binary number which you can write 0.2? That's what I'm asking. 0.1 means, remember, 0.1 means with the 2 power minus 1. 0.01 means it is the 2 power minus 1, it is the 2 power minus 2. So can you help me now? What is this value? Is it 0.5? 1 by 2 means? This is 0.25. .1 in the binary format 0.1, decimal value is 0.5. In the binary format 0.01 means decimal value is 0.25. What I mean to say is, everyone try to listen. There is no way to represent 0.2 exactly. Exactly 0.2, there is no binary representation. You have to represent approximately. So remember, most of the floating point number, exactly you cannot represent. It is a 0.25. It is a 0.5. So you can represent closest one. You cannot represent exactly. That's the reason this A may be, when you store like this, this A may be approximately 0.25 maybe. So whenever you compare 0.25 with the 0.2, both are not equal. You may print by. Okay. So floating point numbers, please don't compare. Storing float in one variable and comparing, please don't do that. If you do, it may be matching, it may not match. There is no way to represent 0.2 exactly in the binary representation. Inside computer, everything is binary representation only. Inside the computer, everything is binary representation only. Are you getting? That's what I'm saying. Don't store float number in a variable. Don't try to compare. If you do so, right? Comparison may be right, may be wrong. Mostly comparison is wrong. Mostly comparison is wrong, because floating point number you cannot represent exactly. So you will represent approximately. You will represent approximately. There may be some fraction of difference. There may be some fraction of difference. So that there is no question will be there in the GATE examination. In GATE examination, no question will be there like this. No question will be there in the GATE examination on this. So the only suggestion is floating point number don't store in variable, don't compare. If you do so, right, you may get the wrong results. Yeah, please send the problem, right? Shikhar, please send the problem to me personally. Please send, right? If it is valid, I will see. If it is valid, I will see. Okay? Please send your problem to me. If it is valid, I will see. Whatever I am saying, just follow. Whatever I am saying, just follow. Fine? Kittu, is it okay? So just remember that condition. Just remember that condition. Floating point number don't store in variable, don't compare. If you do so, mostly it will fail. Mostly it will fail. Very rare it will, both will be equal. Very rare. Also condition is floating point number don't store, don't compare. If you do so, mostly that comparison will be fail only. Mostly. But however, few occasions are there, there may be chance that condition will be true also. Please avoid comparing the floating point numbers. Okay, perfect. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Mostly tomorrow is the last class. Tomorrow is the last class. Right? Tomorrow is the last class. Afterwards, we will see in the EPT. Yes, I am. Yeah, thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Bye.